gagawin natin ngayon ay video editing using KINEMASTER. Enjoy!
So this is the environment of KINEMASTER. So kuha tayo ng video sa ating gallery. So mag-select lang tayo ng video. Make sure that the video is high definition. Okay, so let us select. Tapos i-delete natin ang hindi mga kailangan dyan sa ating project. Okay. So, yan. Deleted na siya. Okay, so, kung mag-delete tayo ng part ng video, let us try to click the video file. So, i-click natin yung video file. Okay, so i-click natin yung video file, then mag-yellow siya pag once na-click na. And then afterwards, may lalabas na icon or parang picture ng gunting or image or shape ng gunting. I-click natin yan. I-click natin, then after that, trim to left of play head. Okay, so yan, trimmed na siya. Nakat na yung part na hindi natin need. And that is our video. Okay. Next is mag-overlay tayo ng video. So, itry natin na mag-overlay. Click lang yung layer. Tapos, media. Gagawin natin yung video introduction, yung kagaya sa YouTube, yung may word na subscribe. So, kukunin natin yung video sa ating gallery. Pagkatapos niyan, we will be using the Chroma key. Tanggalin natin yung green portion ng video. Okay. Okay, so yan. Tanggalin natin yung green. Okay. Again, you need to click the green video file. Tapos, i-delete natin yung not needed. So, yun. So, trimmed na siya. Then, atin lang yung i-crop. Okay. And that is it. Next is i-click natin yung video file. Tapos, may lalabas na chroma key. Click chroma key, enable. Enable. Okay, so that is it. Click check. Okay, ngayon naman maglagay tayo ng record or voice over. So, i-record natin yung voice natin para medyo mayroong effect. Maganda yung video natin. So, click lang yung record, tapos click start. And then afterwards, magsalita ka lang kung ano yung gusto mong i-record dyan, i-overlay na voice. And then, click stop kung tapos na. I-improve natin yung audio ng voice. Click lang yung file, tapos lalabas yan. Click yung mixer, 200%, and auto volume. Next is, gawin natin positive to yung pitch para medyo girly yung voice. Then, click check.
Please click subscribe button. Thank you!
Next is, click natin yung layer. Maglagay tayo ng effect. Kung may magandang effect dyan. So, click lang yung effects. Tapos, lalabas yung basic effects. Since wala tayong masyadong magagandang effects, so, wag na lang nating lagyan. But of course, you can add Gaussian blur or mosaic sa effect if you want. Okay, but for this presentation, hindi na lang ako maglagay ng effects. So, i-delete natin yan. Click delete button. Okay. Now, balik tayo doon sa layer. Okay. Select text. Lagyan natin ng title, yung ating video. My vacation. Okay. So, yan yung ating title. So, i-click OK kung tapos na. And i-crop natin yung word, ilagay sa gilid, kung saan maganda siya. Kung sa inyong presentation, kung saan maganda, you can do that one. Okay, so that is the title, My Vacation. Select tayo ng style. Okay, so that is the font style. Select tayo ng color. Select natin yung yellow kasi maganda yung color ng yellow. And attractive din siya. Okay. And then, do the same. I-crop lang natin. Kung gusto natin lagyan pa ng additional yung ating title, pwede. So, gawin natin My Vacation and Romance. Click OK. Tapos, i-crop natin kung saan din siya magandang ilagay. I-move lang natin yung word and voila. Yun na yun siya. Okay. So, drag natin yan. And, tingnan natin yung work.
Please click subscribe button. Thank you. Please click subscribe button. Thank you.
Ngayon naman, maglagay tayo ng music or any audio sa ating video. So, mag-select tayo ng audio or any songs na pwedeng mag-match doon sa video. Okay, tapos hanap tayo doon sa ating audio file sa ating cellphone. Okay, then click yung may plus sign, tapos drag. Okay, and then, i-delete natin yung not needed na part. Okay, tapos trim, split, then click trim to right playhead, and that is it.
Please click subscribe button. Thank you.
Click audio file, increase the mixer into 123, select auto volume, and then click check.
Please click subscribe button. Thank you.
Okay, so that is it. And now it's time for us to save our video project. So, kung nakita nyo dyan sa ibabaw, meron siyang arrow up na nakalagay. So, yung may dot. Okay, click natin, lalabas yan, then save as video. I-click natin yung save as video. And pagkatapos na mag-save as video, lalabas yan, i-click lang yung word na skip. Tapos, hintayin natin na mag 100%. Pag mag 100% na siya, then okay na ang ating video. Tingnan ninyo sa inyong video gallery kasi mas-save siya automatically.